Sperm Grow Combined Plus Therapy. Assalamualaikum viewers. Today we will explain about the course which name is Taseer Acrobian Sperm Grow Combined Plus Therapy offered by Taseer Dawakhana and Taseer Herbal Pharma Private Limited. This course is prepared for the male infertility patient to cure their disease. By using this course, patients will recover their male infertility problem in few months. In today's program, I will brief you what is Taseer Acrobian Sperm Grow Combined Plus Therapy, how it's cure the disease male infertility, why male infertility happens, its symptoms, reasons of this disease, indications, male infertility type, complete detail about sperm quality and quantity. Viewers, infertility is defined not being able to get pregnant despite having frequent unprotected sex for at least a year. As male factors have been increased implicated as a major cause of infertility, investigators have focused on the underlying physical process in men. If the sperm count is low, then why? Or if the sperm count is normal, why do the sperms not fertilize? That there are literally dozens of factors leading to a completely normal spermatozoon. The form of the sperm that is present in semen. These involve the structure of the testes, the hormones that influence its functions, the receptors for these hormones, the maturation process through which the germ cell develops into a spermatozoon, the composition of the seminal plasma and all the enzymes, receptors and reaction that make the sperm capable of fertilizing the egg. In these steps, there are the dozens of occasions for mistake and problem. Hormone plays an important role in disease male infertility, and there are several hormones which affect on a person for producing a child, like testosterone, luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone for males. The normal range of luteinizing hormone is 1.24 to 7.8 international units per liter. If luteinizing hormones level are below the normal range, it may indicate a pituitary gland problem. Their pituitary gland may not be making enough luteinizing hormone, which may lead to low testosterone. Follicle stimulating hormone is a gonadotropin, a glycoprotein polypeptide hormone. Follicle stimulating hormone is synthesized and secreted by the gonadotropic cells of the anterior pituitary gland and regulates the development, growth, pubertal maturation and reproductive process of the body. Normal follicle stimulating hormones level in adult males are typically between 1.5 to 12.4 international units per milliliter. A high follicle stimulating hormone level in a male may mean the testicles are not functioning correctly, while low follicle stimulating hormones level in males may indicate problems with the pituitary gland in the brain. Luteinizing hormone is a hormone produced by gonadotropic cells in the anterior pituitary gland in males, where luteinizing hormone had also been called interstitial cell stimulating hormone. It stimulates Leydig cells production of testosterone in general. The normal testosterone range in males is about 270 to 1070 nanogram per deciliter, with an average level of 679 nanograms per deciliter. Our normal male testosterone level peaks at about age 20 and then it slowly declines. Testosterone levels above or below the normal range are considered by many to be out of balance. There are two types of infertility: primary infertility and secondary infertility. Primary infertility is the inability to conceive a child after regular intercourse for at least 1 year, while secondary infertility occurs in couples who have previously been pregnant at least once but are unable to achieve another pregnancy. As per medical research, in 50 to 60% infertile cases, male have infertility problem. A number of causes exist for male infertility that may result in impaired sperm count or mobility, or impaired ability to fertilize the egg. The most common causes of male infertility include abnormal sperm production or function, impaired delivery of sperm, condition related to a man's general health and lifestyle, and our exposure to certain environmental elements. Now I am going to tell you type of diseases. Viewers, semen produced in testicles. Testicles are very important in sperm production. If testicles are not working well, then it makes a problem. There are two types of testicle disease. First one is hydrocele. A hydrocele is a type of swelling in the scrotum that occurs when fluid collects in the thin sheet surrounding a testicles. Hydrocele is common in newborns and usually disappear without treatment by age 1. Older boys and adult men can develop a hydrocele due to inflammation or injury within the scrotum. And the second is varicocele. A varicocele is an enlargement of the veins within the loose bag of skin that holds your testicle. A varicocele is similar to a varicose vein you might see in your leg. Varicoceles are a common cause of low sperm production and decreased sperm quality, which can cause infertility. Viewers, now I will tell you about the sperm diseases. There are three types of sperm diseases named azoospermia, oligospermia and necrospermia. The first one is azoospermia. It is a medical condition of men whose semen contains no sperm. It is associated with infertility, but many forms are amenable to medical treatment. Azoospermia's main cause is infection in. It includes pus cell in semen, blood in semen, or presence of bacteria. This condition does not have any symptoms. There are some signs and symptoms of azoospermia. First, inability to get your partner pregnant, increased body fat, body hair, watery or whitish discharge from the penis, presence of a mass or swelling on the scrotum that feels like a bag of worms, varicocele, stress or emotional pressure from not being able to conceive a child. Testicles that are small, soft or non-palpable cannot be felt. Veins that are enlarged, twisted and may be seen in the scrotum, varicocele. Azoospermia is further divided into two more types, obstructive azoospermia and non-obstructive azoospermia. First, obstructive azoospermia. Obstructive azoospermia is defined as the absence of spermatoza in ejaculate despite normal spermatogenesis. Obstructive azoospermia is a common urologic condition and accounts for 6.1 to 13.6% of patients presenting for fertility evaluation. Non-obstructive azoospermia. Non-obstructive azoospermia is defined as no sperm in the ejaculate due to failure of spermatogenesis and is the most severe form of male infertility. Second type is oligospermia. Oligospermia, this is a male fertility issue characterized by a low sperm count. Other aspects of the sexual health of men with this condition are typical. This includes the ability to get and maintain an erection as well as produce ejaculation at orgasm. Sperm count in your ejaculate can vary throughout your life. As I have explained, normal sperm count is between 200 to 600 million. So, if a person has less than 120 million sperm count, then he has oligospermia. This disease is because of infection in vein, physical disturbance, anxiety and abnormal hormones level. Now I will tell you about the third infertility disease, that is necrospermia. Necrospermia is a condition in which there is a low percentage of live and very much percentage of immotile spermatoza in semen. It can be diagnosed via a semen lysis with vitality staining performed to determine whether the sperm are dead or alive and immotile. Because of this, men are unable to make a woman pregnant. There are some conditions required for pregnancy. Good health is essential for both men and women. 50 to 60% of active motile. After every 72 hours, men should produce 1.5 to 5 milliliter semen. Male semen has normal sperm count. If a person is not meeting this given criteria, then he is not able to produce a child or make a woman pregnant. When a normal person ejaculates, then he releases 200 to 600 millions of sperm. If he has 50 millions or less than 50 millions active sperms, then he is not able to produce a child. In mathematical expression, we have formula. 200 by 75% is equal to 150 million active sperms. 200 by 70% is equal to 140 million active sperm. 200 by 60% is equal to 120 million active sperms. Viewers, a man produce 50,000 sperm in a minute, 72 millions in a day. These sperm get mature in 84 days. Infertility may be occurs because of different sperm disease. Viewers, Taseer Acrobia Sperm Grow Combined Plus Therapy is a special course consists of 12 precious herbal ingredients. So it provides some extra benefits. Taseer Acrobia Sperm Grow Combined Plus Therapy unique formulation contains safe natural ingredients which are known to increase sexual desire, sexual stamina and self-confidence by increasing peripheral blood flow because the ingredients in Taseer Acrobia Sperm Grow Combined Plus Therapy highest quality and verified are purity. Their potency is much more effective, stable, predictable and efficient. As it is multi-purpose course, so it also boosts the sexual power of the person and improve physical health. Taseer Dawakhana has been established since 1946 and you can recover from all these diseases by using Taseer Acrobia Sperm Grow Combined Plus Therapy by Taseer Dawakhana, which is made with precious herbals and free from any side effects. Doctor and scientists of our institute, Taseer Dawakhana, worked under the supervision of Hakim and Dr. Tariq Mahmood Taseer. Qualified doctors lady doctors, pharmacists and hakims with prolonged research. Taseer Agrobia Sperm Grow Combined Plus Therapy is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effects. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% effective. Taseer Agrobia Sperm Grow Combined Plus Therapy cures azoospermia, oligospermia, necrospermia, varicocele, hydrocele, parcel infection, hormone level, maintain pH level of a person, increase the volume of the semen, thickness in semen, sperm morphology and every type of infection, and start producing sperm where person will be relieved from all infertility diseases. Increase HGH hormone level, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone and normalize the sperm count of infertile men so they become fertile. Taseer Agrobia Sperm Grow Combined Plus Therapy is prepared under the medical principles and proper scientific method with up-to-date machinery in Taseer Pharma Private Limited. Taseer Agrobia Sperm Grow Combined Plus Therapy has some special herbals. Those quality is to achieve the gain of centimeters in penis length, and especially the gift to help get your confidence and sexually satisfying experience, which is especially prepared for those who has erectile dysfunction, ejaculation, duration problem, stiffness, length and with problem with penis. It is very safe and easy to use and made with 100% pure herbal extracts. For better cure, avoid sexual relation with partner during course and medication. Avoid eating potatoes, rice, beans, beef, all spices and cold drinks. Use pumpkin, carrot, mutton, milk, yogurt, fresh fruit, honey, dates and fish. Avoid alcohol. Heavy alcohol use may lead to decreased fertility, and any alcohol use can affect the health of developing sperms. If you are planning to become a father, avoid alcohol and don't drink alcohol. Don't put your laptop on your lap. It also affects your penis and make you infertile. So avoid to do this thing. Reduce stress. Some studies have shown that couples experiencing psychological stress had poorer results with infertility treatment. If you can find a way to reduce stress in your life, quit smoking. Tobacco has multiple negative effects on fertility, not to mention your general health and the health of fetus. If you smoke and are considering pregnancy, quit now. Eliminate your fertility with Taseer Agrobia Sperm Grow Combined Plus Therapy and spend happy life with your complete family. So viewers, if you or your known person has infertility problem, then come to Taseer Dawakhana and use Taseer Agrobia Sperm Grow Combined Plus Therapy, which will cure all infertility diseases and problems. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on bell icon. I will see you again in my next video, in which we will discuss new disease topic and its treatment. So viewers, it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.